Okay guys, this is a 2023 Lincoln Corsair Reserve all-wheel drive. Rebuilt title. Most of the damage is right here, but had some along the side. All fixed up. Nothing was touched here on the front. Does have the upgraded wheels, about a $1,200 extra option. Here's your VIN number. Start it up here for you. $13,947 on the miles. Cruise. Has your adaptive cruise, your lane assist. Power folding mirrors with blind spots in them. All your seat controls here. Heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel. While you're up, it does have ambient lighting. .360 camera. 2023 has the new upgraded front end. Here's your key, drive modes. So had almost a $60,000 MSRP. These are the extras that it has. Again, this is a Reserve level 3. 2.0 turbo in there. It does have all the owner's manuals here. All your sunroof controls, your garage door. Heated seats here. Better look at that sunroof, it's huge. Look at those tires. Really cool color. Power lift gate here. Fold there. Little scratches through there. All-weather floor mats. Does have the Revel Sound system. As you can see there. New front end on the 23.